Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this PrimeDrive review. We're going to be taking a close look at PrimeDrive, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you some cool results with PrimeDrive. This goes live on the 24th of February by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So, in a nutshell, PrimeDrive is a cloud storage, and this allows you to store different types of file. This is a storage space for you for any project. You want to store video files, image, audio, you want to store documents. But not only that, it also allows you to selectively share this document. So you're going to be able to store these files, and then you are going to be able to share whatever it is you want to share with people. You can share on social media, you can share privately with people. So you're going to be getting access to unlimited cloud storage, which is cool. But as opposed to paying monthly for storage, you are going to pay just a low one-time fee to get lifetime access to PrimeDrive, and also to keep enjoying all the features of this cloud storage. I'm going to go through my custom bonuses, and then I'm also going to let you see a sneak peek into PrimeDrive, a demo to let you see how this works. Also, you're going to find that demo on this bonus page, but not to worry, just also in this review I'm going to let you see the demo of PrimeDrive. As a matter of fact, this is so easy to use, and it's also fast, to upload files, video files, large files, and then you can actually store this easily. So I'm going to be giving you access to bonuses that actually help you in your digital marketing business that solve the problem of traffic, which is a problem that most people run into, especially if you are starting out online and trying to ultimately make some money for yourself. So bonus number one, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software, and this allows you to use other people's video to generate traffic to your own link. Now, this does not require video creation at all, and also this works in any image. Simply log into the cloud-based software, and then you can search based on keyword in any image, and then you can pull any of the viral videos out, and then you can select these videos. You can actually put your links on top of these videos. You can upload images that will show up on these videos, so that when people play these videos, they see your images, and then when they click on your images, it's going to take them to your specified link. So you can use this to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. You can also create clickable call to actions. You can even create opt-in forms that will show up on these videos. This way you can build your list while making money with affiliate offers. Bonus number two is another traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. But not only that, you can actually put the whole process on automation. You can share multimedia posts, manage your pages, share images, videos, links, and different types of content. And you can actually schedule this to actually go out, so that this keeps driving you traffic even while you are busy sleeping or busy doing other things. You also get access to custom page builder to make the whole process easy for you. Also, bonus number three, you are going to be getting access to cloud-based software that gives you done for you custom affiliate marketing squeeze page templates. You can actually pick whichever one of these templates, slap in your affiliate link, and then you are good to go. People will need to give you their email addresses before they get redirected to your link, which is cool because now you can actually build your list while making a ton of money with affiliate marketing. You also get access to custom lead magnets that you can just give away and make people give you their email addresses. Plus, it comes with free traffic training also. Bonus number four, you are going to be getting access to a training. Someone who has some years of experience with website design, I'm going to be giving you my training where I show you how to create your own website, how to get hosting, how to put your domain name to your hosting, how to, put everything together to create your affiliate website, your blog, your e-commerce website, whichever type of website you want to create. You are going to discover exactly how to do that in this training here. If you want, you can take the knowledge you have, take it to marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork to create websites for other people. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a combination or a collection of HD intro videos that you can actually use for your videos to get people's attention. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and codes that you can go and use on any project, either on your website or even on social media, to drive traffic and to get people's attention. Bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to premium doodle video creator. You've probably seen these videos on YouTube. These videos get people's attention, every single time, and then you can actually use this to drive a sort of traffic. Either you're using Mac or you're using Windows, you are going to be able to use this doodle video creator software, to generate some high quality video content for yourself. Also, bonus number 8, I'm going to be showing you in a video training a number of ways to make money with videos, especially on YouTube. Even if you have zero experience with video creation, I'm going to be showing you free professional video creation and video editing software you can use to create this kind of videos, that are proven to drive traffic and are proven to make you money with, a number of ways. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways to make money with these videos. Also, bonus number 9, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. So to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of PrimeDrive, where you're going to be able to pick up PrimeDrive and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based storage. So it says ready to replace iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive with a single app. Brand new Dropbox killer software lets you store and deliver all your videos, audios, images, and media files at lightning fast speed for a low one-time fee. Store unlimited file backups, videos, photos, images, and more. So come check out the sales page in your own time. You get, you can actually just go ahead, drag and drop your content into the cloud-based storage. Come check this out in your own time to get more information about PrimeDrive once this goes live, 24th of February. So let's talk about the pricing right now. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool for an unlimited cloud storage. And then there are some optional upgrades like the Pro version that goes for $37, which you can decline and pick up for $27. You also have the Prime Mail. This is an autoresponder software with built-in SMTP, which is cool, which you can pick up for $27 if you decline the option to pick it up at $37. You have the Prime Web Next Generation Website Builder that gives you access to 1,000 plus done for you websites templates. Gives you live editing option, drag and drop amongst other. No hosting requires. No hosting required means no monthly cost, no annual cost, which makes a lot of sense for $37, which you can even decline and pick it up for $27. OTO number 4 is the Prime Voice Text to Speech software, supporting 64 languages, including 400 plus different voices, which you can pick for $37 and decline and actually pick for $27. Pretty cool. Final upgrade is a PrimeDrive reseller that goes for $97. You can decline that, pick that up for $67, and then you can actually sell the PrimeDrive cloud storage and then keep 100% of the profits. So that's my review of PrimeDrive. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and stay tuned right now for the demo.